Welcome to the PASRR Level 1 Cases training. For PASRR acronyms, definitions, and contact information, please watch videos for those subjects on our PASRR webpage. This training will take place in our testing environment, so there won't be any PHI. From your dashboard, you can access the Level 1 cases using either the Level 1 drop-down or the quick link. Both options take you to the same page. The Level 1 cases is one of the most important pages for facilities because it shows all cases the facility has submitted and received through the file exchange process. This pink bar across the top here is the page indicator. It shows where you are in the system, how many cases your facility has, and your current facility. So right now we on the Level 1 cases. The facility has a total of 767 cases, and this is your facility. So if you have access to more than one facility, always confirm you are in the correct facility. Next, we have a search bar and multiple search fields to find cases or check a case status. When searching for a case, we recommend using one search field at a time for better result, since the system looks for exact matches within your Level 1 cases list. The easiest and most reliable way to find a case is by using the 9-digit PASRR CID number. You can also search by the resident's first or last name. We recommend typing only part of the name to see more results. The Reset button clears all search fields and refreshes the result. The Export Excel button lets you download the case list to Excel. These three buttons change the page layout. The toggle switches between stack and extendable view. The full screen hides the search field at the top here. Select the icon again to bring it back. And the columns icon or buttons lets you add or remove visible data columns. Click on the refresh icon to clear all the selection or reset the page. The Level 1 cases list is displayed in rows and columns, with each case shown as a row. These columns are sortable by clicking on the column's header, except for the action columns. The columns in this list are the PASRR CID number, which identifies the case, the resident's name, resident date of birth. The Level 1 submitted date shows when the Level 1 screening was submitted. The close date shows whether the case is still open or closed. A date means it's closed, and a blank means the case is still open. The IDDD case shows yes or no, whether the screening triggered an IDDD-RC process. The screen type column tells you if the case is a pass or an RR. Case state, which indicates whether the case is closed, stopped at Level 1, or has moved to Level 2. The resolution column, which shows the case current status or final outcome. And the action column will have several options depending on the stage of the case. The two most important options are the letters and the case history icon. The letter icon provides access to any letters generated for the case, which you can view or download. The case history for who created the case and its track all actions, including the file exchange. At the bottom of the page, you can use the drop-down to display between 10 and 100 records per page. On the right, you can navigate between pages or jump ahead to view all the cases not shown on the first page. And that is how you use the Level 1 cases. Thank you for attending.